Hi everybody, my name is Megan, this is S'more, and today for those of you who have very little time, you're gonna love this practice because we're gonna do a 5-minute flow. It's gonna open up your body, we're gonna get that heart rate going even a little bit, and you're gonna leave a lot more energized than you are right now. So without further ado, let's get right going. S'more's giving us the space to start. And we're gonna go ahead and start in tabletop. So you're just gonna have your shoulders over your wrists, hips are over knees, neutral spine, and then I'm gonna curl up to cat back. Since we're limited with time, maybe roll that neck as you're here, and then open up to cow. Very nice. Crown of head is towards the ceiling and tailbone's towards the ceiling. We'll move through it 2 more times. Cat back, again, taking some natural movements, whatever feels good. And then belly down for cow. Last one. Nice, cat back. Beautiful. And then belly down for cow. Come back to that neutral spine. I'm gonna open up the shoulders really quick. I'm gonna keep my left hand planted, open my right hand up, and swing it on through for a nice shoulder opener right here. I can even take my left hand and bind it around my back if I want a little something extra. So all options. Now we'll plant that left hand, come back to tabletop, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing in opposite side. So my right hand stays, my left hand sweeps up. I'll come through for the shoulder opener. Now you can see the bind on the opposite side. Right around the back. Perfect. And now we'll plant both hands tabletop, and we'll do a little bit of ab and balance work at the same time. So I'm going to take my left hand, bring it out, my right foot comes out, balance, really engage that core, and then tuck underneath the body. So I'm bringing my elbow to my knee underneath my body, extend out one more time, under the body, back to tabletop. One more time, but the opposite side. Left leg comes out, right hand comes out, nice stretch, and then curl under the body for 2. Last one, nice and long. Curl back under, tabletop position. Beautiful, you guys. Now let's come into puppy so you can really open up that chest. It's a lot like child's pose, but we're gonna move our arms out, but keep the booty up in the air. This is how you open the shoulders up. Open the back, let the head come long. Very nice. Such a great pose. Opens up so many things. You can hang out there as long as you'd like, but for those of you who are sticking to the 5 minutes, we will let that go. Push back into down dog. Walk your dog. Feel that stretch in the toes. Really engage the body as we come through plank. Now I'm gonna go down to chaturanga. You can drop your knees if you'd like. Chaturanga looks like this. I'm gonna sweep up through up dog if that's not in your practice. Cobra is a great alternative. And then we push back to downward facing dog. Now let's get going with our flow. Right leg is gonna sweep up. I'm swinging it on through. Coming into a runner's lunge. My hands are on either side of my front foot. Opening up into dragonfly twist, coming around into side angle, really nice. Sweep all the way up into archer. Nice long stretch along the side body. Hands cartwheel down, front foot goes back to meet the back. Chaturanga, up dog, push back into downward facing dog. Left leg comes up, sweep it on through. Runner's lunge, hands are on either side of that front foot. Sweep open. Dragonfly twist, sweep around, side angle, come all the way up, archer, all the way back through. We are almost done. Chaturanga, nice up dog, push back, downward facing dog. I'm gonna walk my feet right up to my hands, come flat against the mat. Give myself a nice hug for moving through that so quick. Knees are gonna drop to the left side as I open up. And then back through again. Opposite side. One last hug. One nice roll up, and we come to seated. So that was it. In 5 minutes, you got into your abs, you opened up your hips, your shoulders, your back, and hopefully you got your heart rate going a little bit too, so you're ready to move on to the next thing. So I appreciate you taking these 5 minutes with me. I look forward to flowing with you more in the future. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.